2005 Yamaha Bruin 350 2x4. Got myself new project, so I will need to replace that footrest. I already have it, just need to replace it. And I will need front bumper, already ordered that. I do have rack for it, and I need to rewire this wire. This previous owner made it like a temporary fix, so we gotta redo that. And I need to redo the seat cover and the solenoid, starter solenoid is bad. I already have it, I'm gonna replace that. Tail light is broke, so I'm gonna put new one in. Yeah, so I'm gonna be working on this one. I already took it apart a little bit. I'm gonna have to clean up the carburetor, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna be updating my videos on this one.